Hello and welcome back to the Best Bar None channel. My name is Tom Strauch.
And I'm his nephew, Nathan Strauch.
And today we're going to make avocado toast. Do you like avocado toast?
I've never tried it. To be honest, I've never tried it.
All right, so Nathan is my nephew. Like he said, he's the oldest son of my youngest brother. Nathan, tell him how old you are and what grade you're in.
9, and I'm in 4th grade being homeschooled. Thanks to this virus.
First, we're going to start making the avocado mixture. We use the juice of half of a lemon. There's the other half of the lemon. We have a tablespoon of olive oil and salt and pepper. So Nathan, if you would please put the lemon juice into the big bowl. Put that down.
Oh, dang it.
There you go.
Be very careful.
You can reach it over and just pour it in. There you go.
Got on my finger.
Good, that's all right.
I'm not licking it. It's sour.
Now pour the olive oil in.
That's sticky.
No. There you go. Good. Now to the olive oil and lemon juice, we're just going to add some pepper. And we're going to add some salt.
I'll put the salt in.
Other way.
Other way?
There you go. Do some more. That's good. Thank you. All right. And we'll just take our fork and we're just going to kind of mix this around a little bit to get it ready for the avocado. So we're going to take our nice avocado here. We cut it in half. I'm going to be careful because it's a sharp knife.
I can't touch it. That's true.
We'll take out the pit.
Seed.
We'll just set it over here. Now with our avocados, we're just going to scoop it out into the bowl with our spoon, just like so. Now we're going to mash these around.
Can I mash?
Yep, let me get them started.
Okay.
And you only want to mash them into large chunks. You don't want them too small. This isn't guacamole. This is just going to be a spread to go on our toast. Do you want to try and mash it some? While he's doing that, I'm going to get the bread out. You can really use whatever your favorite bread is. This is a 9-grain seeded bread.
My grandma eats avocado.
So as we're waiting for the toast to pop up, part of the purpose of the lemon juice is to help keep the avocado green and from turning color, because once you cut an avocado open, it'll start to turn brown pretty quickly. Not super quickly, but pretty quickly. And the lemon juice or lime juice or some kind of an acid like that really slows that process down. So Nathan, how come you've never had avocado toast before?
I don't know, because I've never asked, and I don't even know what avocados taste like, and I don't even want to try them.
So why don't you want to try them?
I don't know. Maybe because green, and I just don't want to try them.
Do you eat anything else that's green?
Green grapes and green beans, nothing else. But I don't like the green beans a lot. I don't like them a lot, but I did like them.
Are you going to taste it today?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes. Come on, bread, speed up.
So will you try the avocado just for YouTube?
No.
Even one little bitty tiny taste?
No.
So will you pretty please try just one little tiny taste of the avocado just for YouTube?
Yes, Uncle Tommy, just this one time.
All right, thank you, I appreciate it.
Oh, there's bread.
And we're gonna get our toast out. Do you know how to butter the toast?
Yes. Sometime. This will be sweet.
Do you like butter on toast?
Yes.
What else do you like on toast?
No. I do not. I don't eat anything else but butter on toast. I'm not like a topping fan.
Do you like jelly?
Yes. But my little brother ate that when he was little. I didn't eat that. At least I don't think I did.
Do you like peanut butter on toast?
No. No offense, viewers.
Have you ever tried peanut butter on toast?
No.
Well, why not?
Because I've never thought of it. That is actually the reason.
Do you like peanut butter on regular bread?
Yes.
Do you think it will taste different on the toast?
Maybe because the toast is crunchier than bread sometimes.
Do you know how I like to do peanut butter? On waffles.
That's one thing I've never tried. No offense, viewers. I need to stop saying that.
Let me know when you think you have enough butter, and then we'll put some avocado on. Is that the challenge?
Done.
Okay. All right, let's spread some avocado on. Do you like a lot or a little?
The one with the most littlest.
One with the most littlest. Well, we'll make this one.
Just to ask, but cut what I'm asking. So, do I have to say I like it?
All right, so we're gonna get our butter on this other piece of toast.
It's much better than when I did it. But I mean,
I've had a little more practice than you.
yes, that's what I was gonna say.
We're gonna put a little bit of avocado on it. Just here on the corner. So now we have just a little bit of avocado on the corner of this piece of toast. And now is the moment of truth for Nathan to give his taste just for YouTube like he said he would. And what's the verdict?
It's kind of like the middle thumb.
The middle thumb.
No offense, viewers.
Well, now you've had avocado. Where are you going?
Water.
Water.
It's fine. We appreciate you trying it, Nathan.
Get the taste out.
I understand. We'll scrape it off for you in just a second and let you just have the toast.
All right. Well, Nathan, thank you for being such a brave person and trying avocado for the first time for all of our YouTube viewers.
No offense, viewers, if you're judging me how I like it.
That's okay. Now, what are you going to say at the end?
If you didn't subscribe yet, please hit the subscribe button and subscribe to us. And don't forget to hit that big fat juicy like.
Thanks so much, and we'll see you next time.
Bye!